Welcome to the future of gaming. Have you ever wondered how video games create vast and stunning worlds? These digital realms, teeming with life and adventure, are often brought to life with the help of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is changing the way games are designed and played, opening up a universe of possibilities for both creators and players. Imagine exploring a vast galaxy with billions of unique planets, each with its own ecosystems and secrets. Or picture diving into a sprawling city where every street corner holds a new surprise. These immersive experiences are now within reach thanks to the power of AI. AI is revolutionizing the way we experience games, blurring the lines between reality and the digital world. Let's embark on a journey to discover how AI is shaping the future of gaming. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content. It's a fascinating field that merges the boundaries of technology and creativity, pushing the limits of what machines can achieve. Just like an artist uses paint and brushes, generative AI uses algorithms and data to generate images, music, text, and even entire game worlds. These algorithms are trained on vast datasets, learning patterns and styles to produce original content that can be both surprising and innovative. It's like having a team of tireless artists working behind the scenes to build and populate virtual environments. These virtual artists can work around the clock, never tiring, always creating, and constantly refining their craft. In the realm of video games, generative AI acts as an architect of imagination. It can take the basic building blocks of a game and transform them into complex, immersive worlds that captivate players. It can design intricate levels, craft realistic environments, and even dream up new characters and storylines. These AI-generated elements can add depth and richness to the gaming experience, making each playthrough unique. This frees up game developers to focus on other important aspects of game creation, such as gameplay mechanics and storytelling. By automating the creation of assets, developers can spend more time perfecting the player experience and crafting engaging narratives. Generative AI algorithms learn from existing data and use that knowledge to create something entirely new. They analyze patterns, understand styles, and then apply this understanding to generate fresh content that feels both familiar and novel. It's like teaching a computer to paint by showing it thousands of masterpieces and then letting it loose to create its own unique works of art. The results can be astonishing, often blending elements in ways that human artists might never have imagined, opening up new possibilities in the world of digital creation. One of the key techniques used in generative AI for game design is procedural generation. This method has revolutionized the way game worlds are created, making them more dynamic and engaging. Imagine building a house with Lego bricks. Each brick represents a piece of the game world, and you have the freedom to assemble them in countless ways. You have a set of rules about how the bricks fit together, but you can use them to create an endless variety of structures. This flexibility is what makes procedural generation so powerful in game design. Procedural generation works in a similar way. It uses algorithms to generate game content on the fly, ensuring that no two experiences are exactly the same. Game developers create algorithms or sets of rules that define how different elements of a game world are generated. These rules can be incredibly complex, allowing for intricate and detailed environments. These algorithms can control everything from the layout of a dungeon to the distribution of trees in a forest. They can even dictate the behavior of non-player characters, making the game world feel alive and responsive. The result is a game world that feels vast and varied, even if it's created using a relatively small set of rules. This approach allows for the creation of expansive landscapes and intricate details without the need for manual design. Procedural generation allows developers to create games that are different every time you play them, This means that each playthrough offers a unique experience, keeping players engaged and coming back for more. This replayability is a major draw for many gamers, as it ensures that there's always something new to discover. Whether it's a new dungeon layout, a different forest path, or unexpected character interactions, procedural generation keeps the gaming experience fresh and exciting. Section 4. GANs, the art of AI-generated content. Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, are a powerful type of AI algorithm that excel at creating realistic images, sounds, and even three-dimensional models. Imagine two AI systems engaged in a friendly competition. One system, the generator, creates new content, while the other system, the discriminator, tries to tell the difference between real and AI-generated content. As the two systems learn from each other, the generator becomes better at creating realistic content, while the discriminator becomes more adept at spotting fakes. This back-and-forth process continues until the generator is producing content that is virtually indistinguishable from the real thing. GANs have the potential to revolutionize game development by automating the creation of high-quality assets. This means that even small indie developers can create visually stunning games with realistic environments and characters. Section 5. Time-saving magic. Efficiency through AI. Creating a video game is a massive undertaking that requires countless hours of work from skilled artists, programmers, and designers. Generative AI can significantly reduce the time and effort required to develop a game by automating many of the repetitive and time-consuming tasks. For example, instead of manually placing every tree and rock in a game world, developers can use procedural generation to create entire forests and mountain ranges with just a few clicks. This allows developers to focus on the more creative and engaging aspects of game design, such as gameplay mechanics and storytelling. By streamlining the development process, AI empowers both large studios and independent developers to bring their creative visions to life more efficiently. Section 6. Immersive experiences. Diving into AI-crafted worlds. One of the most exciting aspects of generative AI in gaming is its potential to create truly immersive and engaging experiences. These experiences are not just limited to visual appeal, but extend to the very essence of gameplay, making each session unique and unpredictable. Imagine exploring a vast, procedurally generated world where every corner you turn reveals something new and unexpected. The landscapes are not just static backdrops, but dynamic environments that evolve based on your actions and decisions. Or picture interacting with AI-powered characters that feel real and believable, with their own unique personalities and motivations. These characters can adapt to your playstyle, remember your past interactions, and even develop relationships with your in-game persona. Generative AI can blur the lines between reality and the digital world, creating experiences that are not only visually stunning, but also emotionally resonant. The emotional depth added by AI can make you feel a genuine connection to the game world and its inhabitants. This has the potential to revolutionize not just gaming, but also other forms of entertainment and even education. Imagine virtual classrooms where students can explore historical events or scientific concepts in an interactive, immersive manner. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more immersive and engaging game experiences that transport us to new worlds and challenge us in ways we never thought possible. The future of gaming is not just about better graphics or faster processors. It's about creating worlds that feel alive and experiences that resonate on a deeply personal level. Section 7. AI-powered characters. Breathing life into digital beings. Characters are the heart and soul of many video games. They drive the story, provide companionship, and challenge us in ways that no other game element can. Generative AI is poised to revolutionize character creation, bringing a new level of realism and complexity to the digital beings that inhabit our favorite games. Imagine conversing with an AI-powered character that remembers your past interactions, learns from your choices, and adapts its behavior accordingly. Or picture engaging in epic battles against AI-controlled enemies that employ sophisticated strategies and tactics, making every encounter a unique and challenging experience. AI-powered characters have the potential to break free from the limitations of traditional scripting, becoming more than just programmed responses. They can become true companions, adversaries, and confidants, enriching our gaming experiences in profound ways.